Trick your taste buds. What if I told you there's a spoon that makes food taste saltier without adding any salt? Sounds like magic, right? But this is real technology, and it could change the way we eat forever. Too much salt. We love salty food. Chips, fries, burgers, you name it. But here's the problem. Too much salt can be really bad for your health. Doctors say eating too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and even strokes. And let's be real, most of us eat way more than we should. So how do we cut back without giving up flavor? Impossible, right? Meet the Kirin electric salt spoon. This spoon, created by Kirin and Meiji University, uses a tiny electric current to enhance salty flavors on your tongue. It works by stimulating your taste buds, making your brain think food is saltier than it really is, so you can eat low-sodium food that still tastes just as good. Imagine eating a low-salt soup, but your brain thinks it's full of flavor. That's what this spoon does. How could this change the world? If people can eat less salt without sacrificing taste, it could help millions of people stay healthier. Doctors could recommend it for people with heart problems. Restaurants could use it to make healthier meals. And let's be honest, we could all probably use a little less salt in our diets. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Scientists are working on chopsticks and bowls that do the same thing. So, what do you think? Would you use a spoon that tricks your taste buds? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing inventions.